Hi, it's Ben here from the Self-Made Theory. Today I'm going to take you through a little tip inside of Todoist, the task management platform, on how to use labels to assign maybe a person or a tag or a theme to a particular task or group of tasks so that it's easy for you to follow up later. And I'll use it in the context of maybe you being a manager or a leader having some staff. I'll use it in that context. So I've created a task here called Admin App for Automated Timesheets. So I want one of my staff members to research how they can automate the timesheet process for us. So if I just click on the task, let's say I ask Jenny, who is one of my staff members. So Jenny, I'm just making a note here so that when I follow up, I know exactly what was said. So Jenny will research and come back to me by the 14th of April. So I put that in as a comment, so then that's always recorded there so I know exactly what's happened. And then over here you'll see these labels, and so I can create a label called Jenny and assign Jenny to, or assign this label Jenny to this timesheet task, and then I can put that off till, what have I got, 14th of April. I'll put that off to the 15th of April, or maybe the Monday after that. And then I don't have to think about it again. It won't appear on my today list until the 17th of April. So I'll click on there. That's all good. Now, over here on the left-hand side called Filters and Labels, you'll see here I've got these labels called Jenny. And so when I click on that label, it shows me all of the things that I have labelled or tagged Jenny with. And so if I'm sitting down with Jenny in my one-on-one, I can ask her, how's the new AI platform going? What's happening with the new building? And I can sort of click in there and see that, on the 1st of April, she said she was going to follow up with the architect. And so it gives me a really simple way of managing the things, or getting updates from staff members on the things that they're doing. So there's just a little tip for you. One other thing you can do as well is you can just use the natural language processing in here and just put @Jenny. And it will tag Jenny in that way. So you can see there's no label here, and then it just adds the label to it. So a couple of little tips and tricks on how to use labels for your benefit. Cheers.